Hey everybody, Gary Funnan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL. What I'm going to do in this video is show you how to weed out bad photos in Lightroom. Now there are a couple of ways you can do this. It comes down to personal preference. The first one, or the first way, is by color flagging your photographs. So for example, if I wanted to choose this photo as a keeper or one that I wanted to work on, if we don't hold down Control and select the photo, we can either select it or set it by flag, set it by rating, or you can set a color tab. So for example, like I've done here, these are the ones that I've already edited, and they're the ones I'm going to keep. So I've flagged them red, and as you can see, if I bring that color label again, you can either do red, yellow, green, blue, or purple. It is entirely up to you. However, there is another way of weeding out your photos. So I would like to retain this photo in order to work on it in post. If I just hit P on the keyboard, it flags it as picked. However, if I choose this photo and I say, well, I don't like that one, I don't want that one, if I hit X, it sets it as rejected. And then what we can do, so we don't have too many photos or images taking up space in Lightroom, if we come up to photo here, and then we can go delete rejected photos. It'll select all the photos that you've rejected. So what we want to do here is we want to delete it from the disk, and then that removes it. As you can see here, it delete moves the files to the find as trash and removes it from Lightroom. And this will also remove it from any synced files, if any, from other Lightroom mobile clients. So if you've got Lightroom on your mobile, it will also remove it from that, as long as the two are paired. Just removing it, it remains in the background, so it's still taking up space. So if we say delete from disk, because I want a shot of it completely, there it is, it's gone. And you go through files that way. You can do multiple if you wanted to. So if I hit this one here, hold down the shift and scroll across, select them as rejected by hitting X on the keyboard. Photo, delete rejected photos. There they all are. I can delete those from the disk. They are gone, and it frees up the space within Lightroom and allowing me to see the photos that I do want to work on in post. So there you go, guys. That's just a couple of ways to help clear your Lightroom storage and help you better manage your processing. So guys, I hope that you found this useful. Take care, and I shall speak to you next time.